Meaning of go-between.
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 Go-between. Go-between refers to a person who acts as an intermediary or mediator between two parties who are not on good terms or are in conflict with each other. This individual acts as a messenger, conveying information and negotiating terms in an effort to resolve the dispute and bring the parties closer together. A go-between requires excellent communication and interpersonal skills, as well as the ability to remain neutral and objective. This role can be found in various settings, including business negotiations, political diplomacy, and personal relationships. Effective go-betweens can facilitate successful outcomes in challenging situations through their facilitation and problem-solving abilities.